Totodike finally signed a petition to her ex-lover, Prince Okpogiri. My country people, wahala be like bicycle for where Okpogiri dey. Totodike don come out, he don voice out, he don let us know say Okpogiri no be who we think say e be, say na blackmail. They use that voice note when he released the blackmail her ever since then. So na the matter when e dey ground, when I go like more go discuss, na it be this one. Before that, my country people, welcome back to Africa Talk and First Vlog. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. May God bless you all. And for those that have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do me a favor by subscribing and hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any new video, any new update, you will be the first person to see it. So my country people, right now, Totodike has finally signed a petition to her ex-husband, ex-boyfriend, which is Prince Okpogiri. So right now, see the note when they say go give Okpogiri. So they come write and say we are solicitors to Miss Totodike, and it is on our instruction that we write this petition to your estimate office. We have been briefed as follow that sometime in June 2021, one Prince Okpogiri Joseph started count our client with a proposal to marry her. In the process, he will invite our client to his residence, and sometimes he came over to our client residence. Unknown to our clients, the said Joseph Okpogiri, who our client later discovered to be a serial blackmailer, had other motive for counting our client. Our client now has reason and evidence to believe that Joseph Okpogiri had planted closed secret television camera, CCTV camera, at private area of his residence and had staged managed door visitor with the aim of una see am. So na im make am Totodike come voice come out say he want make police go arrest Okpogiri. So Okpogiri of itself now come carry itself come out of social media. They thought say such thing no happen to am, say if they ask, they not come here as he just dey as he just dey talk like this. So now the video now I come out say me I can't share the video with una. Mona listening for wetin Okpogiri still use his own man sit talk.
I've never been arrested by anybody. No security agency have served me any letter. You know, I'm still waiting. You know, so if you have anything against me, go to the appropriate authority and present your petition, and I will reply to them all. We have law that govern us in this country. Don't think you can just come to the general public. You just came because you can afford to buy cheap data. You know, like I see some idiot coming to my inbox, be sending me all sorts of useless message. Those people where they say thunder fire me, thunder fire them. Thunder fire them. Waiting safe this country. Waiting. All these rumors here and there, up and down. Look at bloggers carrying fake news everywhere. Okpogiri has been picked by DSS. Pick who? Which crime did I commit for DSS to come and pick me? They will serve me later. If they have anything against me, they should serve me later. I will go there. I will respond to their letter. You know. See, we have laws in this country. Well, I think at this point, let me pull my shirt and go and chill. You know, it's not all this ranting rubbish. You know, see, they should look for another rumors to come and tell you people. You know, why didn't the people that are spreading these rumors, why didn't they appear today? You know, I was waiting for them. And I want to see the person that is behind them, that strength that they have. Me, Okpogiri, I want to see it. You know, so I wonder why some foolish people are spreading some kind of fake rumors. You know, the most painful thing is that people that are not even up to my employee, they will come here because of their cheap data. This be making it will kill you, they go punish you. They Chris. I beg man talk to better people, Jerry. Very stupid set of people. I'm not offline now. I want to talk to my guys. You know, nonsense people. Pick who? See, now papa they pick. It's not the person father now they pick. Go punish that person. Can you imagine this kind of nonsense? What kind of nonsense that Bobi was picked by DSS? As if there's no law governing us in this country anymore. You know, some people will just buy. Don't ever come to my inbox to write me nonsense. If not, you have yourself to be blamed. You know, nonsense. Somebody needs to correct all this rubbish that is going on. When this thing happened, I was not around. I was in my Asaba office. She went to my house, deceived my driver, car key, and she took my Lexus, my LX 570, that my big Lexus. She went to go and park it in her compound, send me a message that she needs Lexus to compensate herself. Can she buy that Lexus before she died? She cannot afford to buy that kind of Lexus. You know, but I'm a very patient person. I have to write to the police. I tell them to retrieve my Lexus from her. If I want to do it the street way, I will go there and collect my Lexus. Heaven will not fall. You know, so I don't just want to take the law into my hands. If this is the last thing I will do it. You know, at least I need to stand on behalf of every other guys, because these days they'll say, oh, men don't talk. It is only women, you know, that'll be going out there rubbishing men's names. If a man told you, I'm not dating again, must you bring the man down? You're writing petition here and there without no evidence. You know, then you think you can use the police or you can use the DSS for your hardship job because you be a woman. You know, no, she don't know me. You know, go fly, my brother. This country that everybody is being governed by law. You know. Yes.